Hi. First of all, I want to thank you, Andhra Chambers and Mohammed Ilias, sir. Thank you for conducting this program, ma'am. For you also. And as ma'am told, F&F is conducting this program for free of cost. Thank you for F&F also for conducting these kind of programs. Actually, my husband is a member of Andhra Chamber. I think, I don't know. He only told me that this Andhra Chamber is conducting this program. Would you like to attend this? But
Yes.
so I was very skeptical in attending this program, whether I would understand this program or not also. But I'm very happy to attend this program at this point of time, because in this COVID situation from the past 4 months, we stopped doing our business. So as everybody's business are running in loss or stopped working and all, I want to give a good start to our business whenever we open again. So that's why I wanted to attend this session, and it was very helpful. I would have regretted if I not attend this session. So we are using this Facebook, Instagram and all also from long time, but we are not very regular in posting and all that. But Mohammed Ilias sir told very important points also, to how to post and all, how to get viewers, how to get likes and all, how to get people interact with us. So it's very helpful. He told so many minute points which we will not notice in a daily basis and all, when we are using these apps and all. So now it is very helpful for us to do the Facebook advertisement, to get more people connected to us. So thank you so much, Mohammed Ilias sir. Thank you, Andhra Chambers. Thank you, ma'am, for your support. Thank you, Rajarao gar also, for coming every day live along with us and
Yes.
listening all these sessions so patiently along with us. Thank you so much. We are looking forward to more sessions like this. I want to attend the second session also.
Very good.
And I want to attend more sessions from the Andhra Chambers. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much, everyone.
Good.
Thank
All
you.
the
Thank you very
best.
much.